Hi everyone, I'm Estella from Learn to Grow. You've probably noticed how lush and green plants are after a rainstorm, and today is the perfect time to explain it. The atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. During a thunderstorm, lightning generates enough energy to break nitrogen molecules apart. Nitrogen atoms combine with oxygen, forming nitrogen oxide. It also combines with hydrogen to form ammonia. As it rains, nitrogen oxides or ammonia dissolve, forming nitrates, a form that plants can absorb to grow and develop. This process is called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is one of the key essential nutrients that plants need to grow and flourish. It's a component of chlorophyll molecules that help plants with photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants make food in the form of sugar from carbon dioxide and water using sunlight energy. This process releases oxygen as a byproduct. Photosynthesis occurs within the chloroplast that contains a pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs light and used as energy. I hope that you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.